Today, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT to get rid of those annoying M dashes. Those are those dashes that show up in the middle of your sentences that no matter how you ask ChatGPT, you previously could not get rid of. According to Sam Altman, this is now fixed. But you have to do something very specific to make it work. So I'm going to show you how. I am in ChatGPT, and the link is in the description, and I am logged in with a free account. When you're logged in, you will see your name in the corner. Click on that and click on personalization. This is a section that allows you to personalize how ChatGPT works with you, and I will talk more about some of these in other videos, but the one that we are interested in today is the custom instructions. Sam Altman recently announced that you can now get rid of those annoying M dashes using custom instructions. This is the only way that will work. If you are watching this video, you have probably tried to get rid of this problem yourself previously and been annoyed when it did not work. Now, like then, if you just put it in your prompt when you're asking it to write you something or to answer a question, it will completely ignore that and continue to use M dashes. Also, if you're in the middle of a conversation and you say, hey, cool, but rewrite this without the M dashes, it will still ignore you. It'll still ignore you. The only thing that will reliably work is to put it here in the custom instructions. So I'm going to put in my prompt here, which says, do not use M dashes, replace with commas, periods, or parentheses. Use only standard keyboard punctuation. So kind of telling it a couple of different ways. Don't use the M dashes. Telling it something else to do in place of those M dashes or other ways to write those sentences, and also reinforces it by saying, use only the standard keyboard punctuation. This is only going to work for version 5.1 and above. So if you are working with an older model, because you have a paid account and you have selected an older model, or if you're in a free account and you've used more than, I believe it is 10 queries for the day, it will kick you down to an older model. All bets are off with the older model. You're just going to get the M dashes. A couple of things to be aware of. Although this seems to be working for most of the people most of the time, you probably once in a while are going to see some M dashes. It's not working perfectly all the time. Also, if you're outside of the United States, this may not have rolled out to you yet, but it is available currently in the United States. And that's how you get rid of, click save, click save. Once you click save, you should be M-dash free, at least most of the time. If you'd like to see more easy, jargon-free AI tutorials, including more on how to customize ChatGPT, click subscribe. Thank you for watching.